Hey Facebook friends, Captain Kyle with the Discovery Center. I have something to confess. It's done. The outdoor park is done. We've got all of our clearances, we've got all of our permissions, everything that needs to be done is done, which means we are opening the park Tuesday, August 25th. Officially opening this incredible park out here, our Triceratops, all of our incredible exhibits that we have out here, our Dino Dig Pit, our T-Rex, you can say hi to him as well. It's done. It's officially done. We finally got all the approvals we need, which means you guys are patient public will be able to come out here and enjoy the rest of this summer and into this fall, our outdoor science park. We're incredibly excited. And so thank you guys, to our public, to everyone that's been a part of this. We can't wait for all of you to come out. We will do a formal ribbon cutting ceremony once we're able to. It'll be a little bit later, but right now we're opening, which is super exciting because you guys can come out, say hi to our T-Rex, which still has a name. It's on this plaque right here. I'm not gonna show you just yet because we're gonna tell you guys at that ribbon cutting, or you can come out and figure it out yourself. Something I do wanna say though, this board right here, this is all of our donors that participated in making this happen, and we could not have done it without them. So if you know someone on this board, just please thank them. For the Discovery Center, we thank you guys, because without generous donors like you guys, without incredible patrons and friends of the Discovery Center, this could not have happened. This incredible wall, our logo's on the other side, which is really cool, our dinosaurs, and then all of our exhibits. And I know we've been waiting for these light poles for a little while now. They're in here, so we're excited to do our evening events out here. So maybe Parents Night Out, some of our After Dark, some of our other events that we're hoping to do once everything calms back down in the world. This place looks incredible when it's light, when it's dark outside and the lights are on. So you guys, from the Discovery Center to you, thank you so much for being patient. It's been almost a full year since we started this project, but being a nonprofit, there's always a few hoops we have to jump through. So thank you for being patient with us, guys. Thank you, and come out and see us. Tuesday, August 25th is when this park opens outside at the Discovery Center. Otherwise, we're open Tuesday to Saturday, 10 to 3. You guys, come learn with us, come enjoy, and don't forget to always stay curious, always try and find something new. And we've got something new just for you guys. We'll see you guys soon. Captain Kyle.